So hi Ashwini, how are you?
Hi, I'm good, sir. How are you, sir?
I am fine. Thanks for asking. Okay. So first of all, tell me something about yourself.
Okay, thank you, sir. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself, sir. My full name is Ashwini 𝐻𝐿. I am from Bidar district, Karnataka. In my family, apart from my parents, I have an elder brother and sister, sir. And I did my post graduation in geotechnical engineering. After that, I have 3 years work experience in National Highway project, and also have 1 year experience in sales department. It is banking sector. And I have knowledge of AutoCAD, 3ds Max, and Revit architecture. And I love listening music and playing indoor games. That's all about me, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So Ashwini, why do you want to join Byjus?
Sir, Byjus is a topmost leading company, sir, at present in e-tech company. It's a growing company, sir. When I joined recently in sales, 1 year experience I have, sir. Due to lockdown, nobody is taking freshers in national projects, sir. That purpose I joined in sales department. In that, I see that I can convince people easily. My communication skills are good in sales, sir. That purpose I want to join sales. Why not start from growing company, sir, in sales department? It is Byju, sir. That purpose I want to join Byju, sir.
Okay, perfect. Who is the founder of Byjus, Ashwini?
Byju with then forgot, sir.
Just think of it.
Ma'am is Think and Learn is a private limited company, sir, in 2018, and
Okay.
after that in 2011 it's become Byju, sir. Learning.
Okay, perfect. Okay. Who is the co-founder of Byjus?
I forgot names, sir. One thing, ma'am is there, sir is there.
Okay.
I
Cool.
forgot names.
What is the foundation year of Byjus?
In 2008, sir. In 2011, sorry.
11. Okay, cool. Can you tell me some unique feature of Byjus application?
Yeah, sure, sir. Byjus can provide online platforms, online teaching platforms, sir. In next for K-12 to from junior kids also, they can learn, sir, through online, and through professionals. Just a second, sir.
Sure, take your time.
This is online teaching platform, sir.
Okay.
And this we are providing through online teaching classes, live recording classes, animations, 3D animations, recording classes. We are providing through, and also we are giving coaching also, so NEET, JEE, IS, government aspirants also we are providing, so through Byjus.
Okay. So tell me some unique features. That is good that we are giving everything, but something unique in Byjus, anything that you know.
Sir, I don't know, sir.
Okay. Tell me name of few companies that Byjus have acquired recently in current times. Any company.
Disney, sir.
Okay.
Disney. Akash.
Okay, Akash. Okay.
I know only two, sir.
Okay, perfect. Okay. Okay, cool. So Ashwini, tell me something that what do you know about mentor job role? What is mentor in Byjus? What a mentor does in Byjus?
Mentor in the sense like we guiding a student, sir, how
Okay.
to grow his career. Means he is choosing any one stream. In that he is confusing, child getting confusing. What to do, what not to. Some kids are expert in other subject. Some kids are expert in a. For example, some while choosing, for example, in the 10 plus 2, after completion of 10, students getting confused what to choose any arts field, science background, engineering field. In that we can guide them after their knowledge, according to we are checking their knowledge, interest. After checking their knowledge and interest, we can guide them, sir. We will help them to student to achieve their goal while giving a mentor.
Okay, perfect. So how do you convince a 4th class student to study from application, from Byjus application or online learning? How do you convince the student?
For 4th class, sir?
Yes, of 4th standard, yes.
To a parents or to a child, sir?
To a child.
To a child.
Yes.
Okay. You are child, sir, at present.
Yes. I'm the child.
Hi, hi, Sonu.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you, Sonu?
I am fine.
Okay. Have you seen any? Have you came across about Byjus or not?
Yes, I have seen, but actually, I'll tell you, I like physical learning. I like going to school. I like studying from books and all. I don't believe in virtual learning. I don't understand things better in virtual learning.
Okay. So have you came across the Byjus, right? Have you
Yes, I've
cross-checked
seen.
anything?
Yes, I've
Have you
seen the
listened
videos.
any classes or not?
Yes, I have listened to the classes, but I think the video is okay. It's not very good. It's not very bad. It's okay.
Okay. In while are you going to school in the school, have you learned any 3D images, 3D animations, games while studying? They're giving
No, but
any this kind of classes or not in offline school?
no, actually, I have not learned all these things, but I score good. Without all these, also, I'm scoring
How much you are
98%
scoring?
marks. 98% marks.
98% in all the
Yes.
subjects.
In overall,
Okay.
I'm telling you.
Overall.
Yes.
Just go through the Byjus. Okay, this is a Byjus application. In that, you can spend only 1 hour per day. In that, you will get maximum knowledge. That is will not teach in the school. Okay, that is not will in the school. That you can learn from this Byjus application. If for live classes are there, video recording classes are there. Sometimes you can't understand some things. Like some topics in that the live session you can chat and comment the professors also, they can reply back if you have any doubt. Some while you after completion of test you want to gives according to that subject, you can that quiz will be arranged like some quizzes, like games that you can interest showing in giving a quiz. Some kids are like that, they don't understand what is this and all. If you giving a day by day, you can improve your 100%. You are at present you are giving a 98% right in your school, you can give a 100% also. Now why you going 2% less? At present the competition is too high compared to others. Day by day increasing 100%. Then why not you try this Byjus? You can do 100%. Recording classes are there. You should forget. Once again, you can listen in many times, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. You can understand the without mug-ups. You can understand while visualization. This is you just go through Byjus.
Okay, got your point. Okay, so now if I tell you, Ashwini, to make one change in education system in India, you can make any one change. So what change will you make and why?
In India, sir.
In India, yes.
In government sector, private sector, sir.
In all the sectors. Overall, I'm asking.
In all the sectors.
Yes.
No idea, sir. Sir, nowadays, while comparing the competitions, all the students are going for after completion of degree, going for government exams like UPSC, KS, Karnataka, KPSC, like that. They're going preparing for government exams. While I am child, means in my school, they didn't teach about anything basic knowledge of government exam, how to prepare and how to take exams and all. I don't know anything about that government exams. It's some in up to 12th class. I don't know anything. After I came to degree college, that I came to know the government exams are there. These are the some branches. These are the some companies are there, like that. When some child is come to 5th class, for example, 5th class, we can teach them. These are the some government companies are there. You can prepare for example, GK, geography. These are the some basic syllabus are there for this. You need to start prepare from this time only. The child IQ will go high, sir. That time in 5th standard, whatever the child see na, that time he can grasp those things easily. Remember forever. If we continually he read those things, he can fix it from permanent memory, sir. For that reason, it can be changed. We can teach them for knowledge purpose from fifth standard only, and some outdoor games for Olympics and for that national international games. We can teach along with study, and games also includes in fifth standard from fifth standard, sir. That
Okay,
is the
perfect.
reason.
Got your point. Ashwini, now we'll be having some academic questions. Okay, so try to answer the best you can. Okay, so my first question to you is, what is Newton's second law of motion?
Force is equal to mass into acceleration, sir.
Okay, how many colors do we have in rainbow?
7 colors, sir. Vibriog.
Can you name the colors in sequence?
Violet, indigo, blue, yellow, green, orange. Red.
Okay, perfect. Got your point. Okay, what is the actual color of sun?
White, sir.
White. Okay, so how many states and union territories we have in India?
8, sir.
And how many states we have in India?
28 or 29, sir.
Okay, if I ask you some capital, can you tell me the capital states?
Sure,
Okay,
sir.
what is the capital of Bihar?
Bihar. Uttar Pradesh.
Are you sure?
No.
Uttar Pradesh is a state.
Yeah, right.
So I am asking about Bihar.
Bihar. Forgot, sir.
Okay, what is the capital of Uttar Pradesh?
Lucknow.
Lucknow. What is the capital of Madhya Pradesh?
Madhya Pradesh. Can you give me hints?
Hint, so I can give you the answer only. There's no hint. It starts from L. Okay.
Yeah. No, so I
No idea.
didn't
Okay. No worries. Okay. So now we'll have some questions regarding the mentor job role that you are going to do in Byjus in coming time. Okay. So my first
Sure,
question to
sir.
you is, suppose being a parent, I am complaining you that in Byjus you don't have social science, computers, Hindi in the curriculum. And my child is strong in science and maths, but is weak in computers and Hindi. So if you are going to add all these subjects, then I'll continue with Byjus. Otherwise, I'll not continue with Byjus. I want a refund if you don't add all these subjects. How will you convince a parent?
Science, social science, Hindi or
Computers.
computer science. Okay.
Yes.
Hello. So, like in nowadays, like science and maths are the most important things for future upcoming careers. That is Hindi. We can they can teach in school also. That is basic Hindi required. He can study and read well, sir, in Hindi. It is
Okay.
not mandatory to go for in to tutor or classes, online classes to buy the Hindi. And what about the computer classes? Computer means nowadays children are more active in while handling the gadgets, like mobile phone, computer. We means like that if we give a Byjus tablet also, sir, the student can learn easily, sir. So some basic important apps like whatever is there through application also he got a knowledge, sir. In your home also you are using some laptops, desktops are there. That time also he can grace the thing some basic. In school also they are teaching very well, sir, the basic computer knowledge. And social science is it's a barely actually going things. Means for example, the basic current activities in the national or international worlds. What are the things happening? That is civilization, Harappan civilization, some historical things are there. He can teach in future also, sir. Not now. For example, your student want to become an engineer, to become a
I am
doctor.
adding one point to it. My child want to become an IAS officer. He want to prepare for UPSC examination. And for UPSC, you also know social sciences must, because history, geography, all things come in UPSC. So now I want this subject to be added. Now what is your counter?
I don't know, sir.
Don't know. Okay, no problem. No issues, no issues. Okay. Suppose if I am a parent and I am using the Byjus application from last 1 year, okay, but I didn't have much good experience. Now my pack is going to expire in 5 days. Okay, so you called me. That's a renew your pack. Okay, because pack is going to expire in 5 days. So please renew the pack so that you can use the application for longer time. Okay, but I am like, I don't want to use the application. It is very basic application. I am paying so much, not getting much from Byjus. So I'll not use Byjus. Now you have to convince me to buy Byjus again. Go ahead.
Hello, sir.
Hi.
Sir, your pack is expiring after 5 days, sir.
Yes, I want, see,
Okay.
I'll tell you, I want it to expire today only. I don't want to wait for 5 days also because I don't want Byjus now. It is done with
What
Byjus.
is the reason, sir? You don't like the app, sir? May I know the reason, sir?
See, the problem is that like in your application, whenever we are asking doubt, it takes longer time to reply. Okay, the mentors and all, they don't call and answer the questions. So I'm very frustrated. I don't like the application at all. Okay, things are not very good in Byjus.
Okay. Previously, how much your son is scoring, sir, in overall subject?
See, he was scoring 70% before using Byjus. After using
Okay.
Byjus,
After
he have increased 2% only. 72 he has scored currently. Okay.
72%.
So what is the
He's
meaning?
attending. Okay. He's attending daily classes, sir. Daily 1 hour
Yes,
classes.
yes. Daily 1 hour classes is attending.
He's attending, sir.
Yes.
In which subject he's scoring less marks, sir? Science or maths?
See, basically,
Both.
maths, I'll tell, maths is very weak. Okay. Science is a bit strong of him, but maths is very weak. And the teacher teaching maths in Byjus, I don't think he's a good teacher. He's not able to explain things in better way. So I'm not very happy with the teacher in Byjus.
Okay, sir, in our Byju, sir, teachers are very PhD holders, sir, and very good experienced teachers, sir. More than 10 years experienced professors are there. They teach very well, sir. Maths is that subject. After the taking online classes, also we need to practice, sir. For maths, I'm basically telling. If your son is taking daily 1 hour class, right, sir? After the completion of the classes, he need to practice. Maths is not a mug-up subject, sir. He need to practice daily maths. Then only the maths will improve, sir. If we go for another tutor also, home tutor also, if you conduct, then also your student maths will not increase.
Tell me one thing. If I want the teacher to be changed, who is teaching in Byjus, mathematics, I don't want him to teach. Can you change the teacher for me? Can I have a new teacher teaching?
Sir, your son only not conducting only single classes. So some batches are there, sir. Like some batches are there. In that separate teachers are there, sir. Okay,
perfect.
so yeah.
Okay, got your point.
In that time, if
cool, got your point. So I'll have next question now. Suppose if in Byjus we have a policy that every mentor has to call parent in 15 days to take the feedback from parent. What is happening? Things are going well or not? Okay. In my case, no mentor has called me from last 3 months. Okay.
3 months.
Today, 3 months, no one has called me. Okay. And now today you are calling me to ask me how things are going fine or not. Okay. In 3 months, I have struggled a lot. My tablet was not working. I was having the issue with the tablet and all. Everything was very bad. So now I am very irate. Okay. I am very angry at you. And I'm just telling, don't call me now. No need to call me now. Just return the money back. I want my money back. That's all I want. So now how will you counter me?
Hello. So there might be some business schedule and everything. For that reason,
what business schedule? What business schedule? I don't know anything about business. I know I have paid my money. I want the response from Byjus. And no one of you have called me from last 3 months. I am suffering from last 3 months. Tablet was not working. Things were not going fine with me. But no one called me. Now why are you calling me today? Don't call me.
So for that reason, in Byjus application, we have a helpline number also, sir. Customer care number. You can call that number.
I called the helpline multiple times. No one is picking the call. No one is responding from helpline. No one is helping me. What is the need?
Okay. So I applied for that reason, sir. Some separate faculties are there for that reason. But they didn't pick for any reasons. They didn't call you. Apply from their side. I'm calling for again, sir. What is the problem of spacing and all? Just let me know, sir. I will resolve all the problems and everything, sir.
I only have one problem. Refund my money back.
Yes.
I
Sir,
don't
we
want any
can't
else problem.
refund your money back, sir. It's not our Byjus policy, sir. We can give a best future also, sir. Just
Okay,
trust me once, sir.
do one thing. Give me 3 months extension. I
Three
have
months
1 year pack.
extension.
Make it 1 year, 3 months. Because 3 months I have suffered. So that is genuine, na? I want 3 months
Yes.
extension. Give me that. I'll be happy.
Yeah, right, sir.
Will you give me?
I need, sir, I need to discuss with my manager, sir. After that, I will let you know, sir.
No,
We can
discuss.
do what?
Don't discuss. You have to tell me right now on this call. Otherwise, I don't want any discussion. You might have discussed with your mentor first, but now you are with me on the call. So now tell me yes or no. I'll not give you
Hello.
much time. Just tell me
Yes,
yes or
sir.
no. Will you give or not?
No, sir.
No?
No, sir.
Yes. So I want to know from you, will you give me an extension or not? You have to decide. You have to say me yes or no. I want 1 year, 3 months. Will you give me or not?
We will provide us with 1 month extension, sir.
1 month. I want 3 month extension.
Yes. At present, we can provide a 1 month extension, sir.
That's all?
Yes, sir.
Okay, perfect. Okay. Suppose, Ashwini, now I have a next question to you. Suppose if I am using Byju's application for free of cost. Okay. In Byju's, we have a
Okay.
feature that we have to use for free of cost 15 days. Okay. So
Yes,
today
sir.
is 14th day of my free usable. Okay. And on 15th
Okay,
day,
sir.
you have called me that, sir, your free time has been expired now. So you have to buy the Byju's application now. But I am a kind of person, I don't want to buy Byju's. I am a kind of person who will just use for free of cost and will leave it. I will not pay for it. So then how will you convince me for this?
Hello, sir.
Hi.
Hello, sir. Recently your son downloaded Byjus application, sir.
Okay.
Have you gone through that, sir?
See, I was using for free of cost. I don't want to pay money for this. I was just testing it. And it is okay. It
How
is good.
much?
But
How was your experience, sir, while using?
experience was good, but I don't want to pay something for this. I was using for free of
Okay.
cost only. If free is
Okay, you
expired,
are
no worries.
okay. Sir, while checking your application app, sir, your son scored very good marks, sir, while giving a test and quizzes. He learned so many things, sir, in 14 days only. How much your son scoring, sir, in school? Overall marks?
See, he's scoring 80% approximately. And no worries, he'll
80%.
score good also. But I don't want the paid membership of Byju's. I was only using for free of cost. I was only free.
Okay. Sir, in Byjus also he gives some tests, sir. Online test is there running. He give around 90%, sir. While
Okay.
learning only 14 days classes free of cost, he give 90% score, sir. In just 14 days, sir. He improved around 10% score, sir. In just 14 days. So just imagine, in 14 days free of class, he just learned 10% score high compared to in school learning. 80% is lesser compared to 9%. 9% is more, sir. In just 14 days, sir. If you buy the paid applications, sir, for some months, some packages, in that your son will score 100%, sir. He is the topper of his class, sir. If you buy this application, sir, in that the animations are there, 3D classes are there, recording classes are there, everything, sir. Live sessions also are there. If your son is getting doubt, he didn't clear anything, he can comment and our professor will back, sir, with the replies, sir, on the spot. This is all the features are there, sir, in Byjus.
Okay, perfect.
Hello.
Ashwini, got your point.
Sir.
Okay. So Ashwini, now my next question to you is, where do you see yourself in next 2 years?
Next 2 years, sir, I want in Byjus, I want to become a manager, sir, next 2 years.
Okay. If I ask you about next 5 years, where do you want to see next 5 years?
Sorry, sir, in next 2 years, I want to become a good position, sir. In next in good from academic specialist or some other position.
Okay.
Compared to that higher. After that, I want to become regional head, sir. After 5
Regional.
years,
Okay,
head.
perfect. Okay. Now, Ashwini, tell me which Bollywood celebrity inspires you the most and why?
Inspire the most. It's sorry, Akshay Kumar.
Akshay Kumar. Why?
So he is fit and fine, sir. First of all, compared to his
So,
age, and he's not attending any parties and all. He's spending his time and going gym, swimming. His
so
physical
everyone
fitness
is fit.
is
Shah Rukh Khan is fit. Salman Khan is fit. Everyone is fit. So fitness is
yes,
something
sir.
that every actor is fit. Despite of
Yes.
having age of 50 years, 55 years, actors are fit. So fitness should
Yes,
not be
sir.
the
But
concern.
he's something different is there, sir. But that attracts me towards him, sir.
Okay,
He's yeah, he's worked in while he's young, he's worked some restaurant, right, sir? So
yes.
from this struggle journey to from becoming a hero,
Okay,
that motivates me, sir.
perfect. Okay. So Ashwini, now my next question to you is, what salary do you expect from Byjus?
That I don't have any idea, sir, at present
Okay.
regarding salary and all.
Suppose if I tell you that I'll give you 10K for like next 4 months, will you work for Byjus?
Yeah, of course, sir. I work for it, sir, because it's a growing company, sir. If I work for 4 months, automatically my salary will go increment, sir, by
Okay,
my seeing the performance and all.
perfect. Ashwini, in Byjus, we also have bond of at least 4 years. Are you willing to
Okay.
sign a bond of 4 years?
Yes, sir. Of course, I will ready to sign, sir, bond.
Okay, perfect. Now I'm giving you three things: money, work-life balance, and career growth. You have to arrange this thing in priority as per your priority.
Sir, first one is career growth, sir.
Hmm.
Second one is work balance, and
Hmm.
third one is money, sir.
Okay, perfect. Cool. Okay. So Ashwini, I think the interview is done here, and now we'll head to our feedback section of the interview. Okay. Guys, I hope आपको हमारा ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. अगर पसंद आया हो तो don't forget to like the video, share with your friends and subscribe our channel so that आपके लिए हम फ्यूचर में भी ऐसे इनोवेटिव वीडियोस लाते रहे so that you can get help from all these videos. I'll see you soon in next video. Till that time, take care of yourself. Bye bye.